Hey boys and girls, today we are learning to know our divisibility rules. We will be looking at some questions like: is 79 divisible by 2? Is 92 divisible by 4? And is 224 divisible by 7? Now we need to know these questions really quickly because it's in a basic facts test and we want to know it fast. Now there's lots of different ways to learn this. There's all these cool rules that you can learn if you have a bit of a Google. I'm just going to show you one rule today that's going to work with the whole lot. So let's get into it. So, is 79 divisible by 2? Now the number one method we're going to do today is we're going to times by 10. Do you know how to times by 10? I hope you do. So 2 times 10 equals 20, right? We go 2 times 20, that equals 40, and so on. Times it by 30, 60. Times it by 40, we get 80. So all of these numbers are divisible by 2. So if 80 is definitely divisible by 2, is 79 divisible by 2? The answer is no. It is not divisible by 2 because it's only 1 away from 80. 78 would be divisible by 2. 82 divisible by 2. 79, no dice. Now if you had a little Google before, you will know that if you're dividing by 2, any number that's an even number is always divisible by 2. Any number that's an odd number is not divisible by 2, and 79 is an odd number. Now, slightly trickier, is 92 divisible by 4? Same thing again. We're going to use our times 10, or 10 times table, so we're going to go 4 times 10 equals 40, right? We times it by 20, what number do we get? Yeah, that's right, we're going to double it. Double 40, you get 80. So now we know that 80 is definitely divisible by 4. So is 92 divisible by 4? Well, how much have we got left to get to 92? We've got 12 left to go. And is 12 divisible by 4? The answer is yes, because it's 3, right? So to recap, we know that 80 is definitely divisible by 4. We know that 12 is divisible by 4. So that means that 92 must be divisible by 4. The answer is yes. Now the final one is 224 divisible by 7. Now I know you're looking at it going like, whoa, Mr. Glue, that is a pretty big number there. Don't know about this one, but let's remember our strategy. What are we going to do first? That's right, we're going to times by 10. 7 times 10 equals 70, right? Now times 10, we use that one because it's super easy. If we times it by 20, we're going to get 140. And if we times it by 30, we're going to get 70, 40, 210. It's almost like using just our 7 times table and going 7, 14, 21 with a 0 on the end, isn't it? That's why our times 10s are so easy. Now let's just stop and think what we know. We know for sure that 210 is definitely divisible by 7 because 7 times 30 is 210. So how much more do we need to get to 224? We've got 14 left to go. And is 14 divisible by 7? Yeah, mate. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So that means that 210 is divisible by 7, for sure. 14 is divisible by 7, and that means 224 is divisible by 7. Whoopee! So to recap, when you get to these tricky questions in your basic facts test, just remember, times it by 10 and use your 10 times tables, multiples of 10, skip counting, get to a close number where you need to go so that you can make it a lot easier for yourself. So, there you have it. Have a great day, guys. See you later.